Hello, guys. Good morning to you, wherever you're watching from. This is Trader Cbran here. I want to quickly do um, forecast analysis on GU and Euro USD this morning, so that if you are looking forward to trade these pairs in week 3, because this is week 3 analysis, and I believe you'll be able to enjoy trading it. Also, I believe you watched our previous video that we did on week 2, and it was an awesome experience that we were able to make some moves and had some money made as a result of it. It was beautiful. The analysis was spot on and beautiful. So share this video to those who love to trade GBP USD and Euro USD. And also, if you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and do not hesitate to turn on the bell notification, because that's the only way you can get alerts that we have just released another video. So ensure you participate on all these things. So I want to begin analyzing Euro USD, GU. Let's start with GBP USD at the moment. So looking at GBP USD, we are in daily time frame. I just wanted to show you something on the daily time frame so you can see. First of all, we can see that the market is giving us a very great opportunity on the market to remain bullish. We can see the market is bullish, giving us a bullish momentum right there. We can see the market is bullish. The other high was taken out low, and then that high was taken out, and this low was taken out, and then we have lower high. Now, this is a very interesting structure here. So what we see, if I turn on the candle, is that the market at the moment is, let me show you something. The market at the moment is giving us a bullish momentum, but rather an early shift. As you can see, breakup structure at the low. So we can see that there's a breakup structure here, a change of character, you may say. And the last move of the market that closed is still very, is at the low of this high. That means this high is a current high on the daily. Remember, this is the daily time frame. So we can see what the market is giving us right now. The structure is shifting. So let me turn on the candle so you can understand. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. We can see the recent low. This is the recent low of the market. So that means we are beginning to experience a shift to the downside on GU. Again, remember, I talked about that last week. Last week we had, this was a Monday, Wednesday, 20 December. So last week we have price play around this level. So we had price around here. So I told you that we're beginning to see a shift, and it's still the same because the market just did a little bit of push up and drop, a push back down and bounce back up throughout the week. These two candles, we can see this is daily candle, started from on Tuesday. This was the Monday candle, okay? And then we have on Tuesday candle, we have a Wednesday candle, on Thursday candle, and Friday. And the Friday candle closed bearish again. So it means that we might be looking for opportunity to sell the market, because it's still very looking at the higher. Of course, overall, if you look at the overall momentum, all right, it's bullish. But what I want to see is at least for that bullish momentum to be taken off, we look for two higher lows. Okay, we're looking for two higher lows and lower lows. So we're looking for two higher lows. At the moment, what we have is let me see, where's my writing pen? What we have is one lower high, lower high, and one lower low here, just a minute. Let me clean that up. We have one lower low and lower high. Okay, so this one is higher than this high. So we can see this is what we have right now. Do you understand? So we have higher low of this one to this one. So we can see that structure there. So exactly what the market is showing us. So I just wanted to bring that out on the daily so you can understand when I'm beginning to talk about what I'm looking at on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to shift to the 4-hour now and beginning to address this why I should be looking. I'm going to be looking for more sales this week. And as you can see, on the 4-hour time frame, this was the previous higher high. Okay, structure higher high. As you can see that, and we have the structure higher high there, and we have this higher low, then lower low. Okay, or lower than this low, which was this structure here. Okay, you can see that's a breakup structure to the low side. Now, but look at what the market did from here. The market started creating a structure like a smaller structure to the bullish to upside with this whole movement. And now we have price came into this high, which is around 12800, which is on this other block level. We can see that price get here and pushed up a little bit higher, and now he's beginning to look forward to the downside. So first of all, what I look for in my trading this movement, as you can see, I will just do some order flow so you understand it. So previously we have this high, market gave us this high, and then we were there for a while until this low was taken out. You see this low was taken out, so we now have our order flow moved from that low, and then price came back up here, and then all right, we have that high, and then price stayed there for a while also because that was the previous low, and then finally that price eventually, okay, breached that high. Where? Here. So we see that high was breached, which is not this high, and eventually we will now move here. This became the structure. All right, order flow. Now we can see that that high has been breached, but a little bit breached. Now this range is very small, so it's not going to be it's not going to stay for too long. So the question is, where would the markets probably drop to? Well, I could see that we have multiple opportunities for liquidity here, that the market might be attracted to liquidity at that level, multiple liquidity zone. And also there's liquidity up here as well. So it is possible that the market want to push higher at this level to take out all of this liquidity at this level. That's liquidity at that level as well. So which is possible that the market will come there. But at the moment, this is the range high that I'm looking at. Okay. And I think there's something that happened with the news. Yes, there's something that happened with the news. We can see that even this high has been breached. So for that reason, we have this new high. This is a new breach that just happened. That's a breach on this high right now. Okay, so we have a breach on that high. This make me to see that we are, as my student, we already know what I'm talking about. We are already on no follow through to the downside. So that means the market is going to drop still. So we are looking at a sell momentum in a sell directional bias in a bullish momentum, because it's still a bit bullish. We haven't gotten the real structure. The market is still trying to shift. So now, like I said, this range is too small for us to be looking at for opportunity to trade altogether. So I'm expecting, like, if you can measure this range that the market is right now, that's about 66 pips. That's too small for opportunity to be traded. So I'm looking at a way that we'll be able to get into okay, yeah, we want price to push up a little higher. So if we're going to set this market, this is what you're going to do. You want price to push a little bit higher, and then drop. So I'll just give you like 75% level of the fib of this drop. So we'll look at the fib. This is swing high to this swing low, okay, at that level. So let me quickly give you 75% of that coordinates. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Just a minute. We can use 76 though, but 75 is fine. Let me just take that board in there to use 75% of that. So close to 88, and possibly that's just the range, and you're looking for opportunities, and probably 61 may not do the work at the moment. So let's leave the 50% level as well, and leave the 88 and 75. So you can use this as a new set of fib. I'll just save it as save as 75%. 75%. That's a 75% rule right there. Okay, so what that means is I'm expecting price to push a little bit higher into this level, or into 88, and that's 75 88. So this would be obviously my trading zone to look for opportunity to start selling, because that's what the market is gonna looking to give us. So from at the moment, I was looking at the opportunity to start selling the market because of what we see at the moment. We want price to push a little bit higher and then give us opportunity to sell from there. So I'll be looking for sell. First trade of the week is going to be something like this in nature. I'm going to look for something like that and target this zone where we have this. Okay, of course the stop loss is a bit high. I'm going to make something like 22 20 just to be like 25. Yes, 1 to 3 is good for this kind of trade. So this will be my first trade opportunity I'll be looking forward to. Of course, if they get closer to this place by extending the range, they might target this low, take it out. So that is on GU. And ensure you join the trade my trading lab, CB trading lab, because this is just maybe what will happen on Monday. On Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm going to be sharing daily analysis in my trading lab. As we just done this, we're going to go into daily analysis here. So you need to be able to participate to catch the trade with us. The link is in the description of this video. All right. So click on it. You will see that CB Trading Lab. You will see that, click on it, and it will take you there. You'll be able to join. Now, there are two major. You have to join the one that is on a monthly subscription. Use the one with subscription, not the free ones. The free ones, I do not send any daily analysis to the free ones. You will see the one of monthly subscription, which is there. You can see subscribe. Use the one for subscription. You'll be able to get access to this particular daily analysis. So this is what I have on GU. Let's go to Euro USD. Now, just the same way of looking at it, I might be looking at Euro USD. Let's check the daily first. Let's see what the daily shows us on Euro USD. Now, on Euro USD, we can see that the market has given us higher highs, and obviously it looks bullish, okay, giving us higher highs. All right, higher highs, higher low, then lower high, structural change, and then eventually created a bridge with this push up, and then again it returned. So obviously we're looking at this structure, and that's why there have been a sort of consolidation for a while. You can see the 5 days has been terrible consolidation on GU. No reasonable trade. I mean, on Euro USD, no reasonable movement has been made compared to what we see on GU. So I understand a lot of people couldn't trade last week, week 2. They couldn't trade Euro USD because of the shoppiness of the market. It was so shoppy on the lower time frames. So I get it, but I think the market wants to do this. I think it still want to continue to the upside, but if he's going to do that, or it's going to start dropping, then we will know. But at the moment, this is what we see on the daily. So if I put up my what do you call it, my TCB EMA trend beat, which is my indicator that I designed, you see there was a buy structure here, buy order, that is still active on the daily. So that means this was just a pullback of this interesting push up. Let me just show you a range here that just happened, and price pull back into 61. That's 61 there. Let me show you, if you haven't gotten, let me show you where it is. But that's not the fib I wanted to use anyway. Just a minute. Yeah, that's my fib. I have so many fib. Yes, I'm looking for the right one now. As that one I just changed from. Okay, large imbalance, perfect fib, new fib. Okay, this one. So you can see that price came to 61 right there. Price came to 61. It says it didn't. It did. Look at that wick into it and rejected and started heading up. So that's the reason why I'm saying that on Euro USD, we might still be looking for a bullish momentum to the upside. So this might be like, it could give us a double top. And on the daily, I'm still looking at the daily perspective. It could be a double top there and then smash all the way down, or continue to the upside by breaking that high before pulling back at all. So that can be another opportunity for the market to come back down and then continue to the upside. Who knows? We're not sure yet, but the market is consolidating. So I'm anticipating more push to the upside. So it might retreat and start pushing up. Now, just like on GU as well, GU may not sell. GU may eventually push up if it wants to, but this is exactly what I'm seeing on Euro USD at the moment. So let me remove that that fib so you'll be able to see it. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame, where I normally will check my strategies and know the direction of the market. Now we have a very strong down movement here. Powerful, strong down movement here. And that is very concerning. As you can see, market drop, and then try to create this little shopping market. So this is a very shopping market. Now let's do order flow walk out on this one. Previously, we saw that the market was somewhere here. Okay, I'll see that order flow there, and we have a bridge to the upside, and then the market gave us another structure there and a bridge to the downside, and then took out that low and drop all the way here. Okay, beautiful structure, and then drop. So we are now selling because it took out the previous low. So we are now in a sell market, which eventually lead to everything here. So now this is a beautiful structure. Okay, right, the market gave us this high. Look at that, gave us that. So there was a bridge, came back down, bridged the lower side, and then we have that bridge, and then bridge the high and structure. Now we're bullish again a little bit, and then what happened? We have that movement there. We're now a little bit bullish as the market has shifted to the upside. And then what happened? Eventually it's played around. These are internal fractals, and then there was a bridge to the lower side again. And what happened? Market shift again to a sell market, and eventually pushed up again to break that high, shift again, and now we're here. The market shift again to the lower. At the moment, we are in the range right here. So we are still a little bit bullish on that structure. So that means this little movement here is more like there's more power to it to the upside. As you can see, if I turn on the line chart, you see the high is higher than this high. So we can see there's a choppy. The shopping market is slightly going up. As you can see, it's just like trending up like that. So it's slightly going to that direction. So that's what we can see on that. So because of that, what do we do? What do we do? How do we trade this shopping market? You wait. As you can see, the market is tending down towards liquidity. So this is the recent structure that we're on. This one here. So this is the recent structure that this market is given. So at this level, probably they might want to drop, breach the low and continue. So what I'm seeing that, let me just swing it a lot. What I'm seeing that there's a market doing this. Let's say there's a market doing this, creating this market Shopee up and down, and then smash all the way up, and then smash all the way down. Then create this moving shopping market, and then smash all the way up and do this. So I'm expecting they want to continue to the downside. They might want to continue to the downside and then create a proper structure before heading back up. That might be what they want to do, because what I'm seeing now, that's probably it, because this is like a retracement or kind of retracement to this drop that you can see. But even the retracement is not properly retraced. Okay, we need a proper retracement. It's not close to 70 or 61 anywhere near 50, 60 yet. But we can see that they want to take out the liquidity to the low. So because it's a very shopping market, it looks a little bit, a little bit challenging to look at where they want to go. So I would personally say stay away from Euro USD until it breaks out of the zone, personally, because this is all really crap, on 4-hour time frame. So this is all really crap. You want to stay out of there and let the market do its thing. Let it break out of this box first. If it can break out of this box, then we have a proper direction. Otherwise, our advice you stay out on GU. I mean on Euro USD. GU is fine. We already have a setup on GU. We could be able to trade GU this week as well. We did last week. So we'll be able to trade it starting from tomorrow. So if you want to catch up on these things, like I said, I want you to follow us on the Trading Lab. The link is in the description below. And if you want to be mentored 101, hit me up. The link is in the description below as well. We'll be able to mentor you and guide you through to become very, very good with your analysis. I've been doing this for a couple of months now, and several going to couple of years. If you've been following me on YouTube channel, you see that this is what I do the forecast mostly on GU and Euro USD for weekly forecast. I do that. So it's being consistent. As you can see, go do your research, watch the video over again. You see that we've been very consistent in our analysis, and it's a good thing that we're able to know the direction of the market and where it's going. So I want you to take advantage of that and hit us up, and we'll be able to guide you. You'll be able to look at the market like this as well. But at the moment, I will stop here on Euro USD. I'm not going to proceed until we see the market break out of this box, because it's still not setting what we should be doing on Euro USD. I hope you guys understand, you learned from this. You have any question, hit me up. This is Tcbfx, and also you can join the Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group. You can join there and learn from other traders. Once in a while, I come in there to share some information, especially if you're a beginner trader. That's the place you can actually get to contact and hit me up, and we'll be able to get you settled in the market. So just a few thoughts, and before we round up, let's look at the forex market for the week. What do we have in upcoming week? Now, tomorrow is 15th. There is no trade. There is no news, no major news. It's only on the then on Tuesday, 16th, we have calendar and GDP, not much, but we have some red box news. Pay attention to that. So the best thing I'll tell you, try and get your trade. I normally start trading from 7:30. So this is my window of trading. 7:30 to probably before the news, like 12, I should close out my trade. If I find entries, I'm done. So before this Canada news and this other news that will be released, I'm probably out of the market. So you better do the same. Then on the 17th January, which is on Wednesday, I believe, you can see that there is multiple news coming in from 7 a.m. CPI on British pounds. And then after that, then will be another one, which is 1:30 p.m. for the news of say retail sales and all of that. So again, I'll do the same thing, get my trade from 7:30, 30 minutes after the news, and then 30 minutes before the news, I'm out. Then on Thursday, there is on Thursday, there's news again, but 1:30. And that's unemployment claims. Again, I'm going to do the same thing, get out 30 minutes before that news. I can decide to trade 30 minutes after the news if I find opportunity, but that's it. And also we can see that there is on Friday, there is British pounds retail sales news, 7 a.m. again. So I'll trade by 7:30, and then there is 3 p.m. news, which is consumer sentiments, and also I'll get out. Ensure I get out before then. That's the way you trade it, just for you to be safe and don't blow your account. And if you need more about risk management, get into the mentorship class, get into the training. This is a new year. Do not waste your time gambling with your money. Get the right education, get the right information, get the right platform, be educated properly, and then trade wisely. Very important. Okay, I think that's what I wanted to share with you on this video today. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy, subscribe, sign out, sign in, do whatever you want to do. But in all that you do, keep trading and making profit, collecting the pips. Bye for now, guys. I'll see you in the next one.